In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the checklist feature in Trello, a versatile tool that helps streamline your project management process. Whether you're organizing tasks for a personal project or collaborating with a team, checklists in Trello can be incredibly useful for keeping everything on track. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Trello account. Once you've opened Trello on your browser, you'll notice a login option at the top right corner of the page. Press this and then proceed by clicking on the Google option. It's a convenient choice if your Trello account is linked to your Google account. Simply select your account from the list and you're in. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the card where you want to add a checklist. You can easily access your boards from the Trello homepage. Once you're in the board, locate and open the card that requires a checklist. Open the card and you will see a panel on the right side. This is your key to unlocking various functionalities, including the one we are interested in, the checklist. Click on the checklist button in the right hand panel. This will initiate the creation of a new checklist. Adding a title to your checklist helps in organizing and managing different tasks effectively. It is a good practice to provide a meaningful name that reflects the purpose of the checklist. Once you've named your checklist, click Add to create it. Now your checklist is ready and you can start populating it with items. Each item represents a task or a step within the checklist. Go ahead and type the name of your first task in the space provided. As you come up with additional tasks to include, click Add after typing each one. With this, you can start building a comprehensive list of everything you need to accomplish for that card or project. As you or your team complete these tasks, you can monitor your progress by clicking on the boxes next to each item. Checking them off visually tracks your progress and gives a sense of achievement as more boxes get ticked off. Finally, once you've completed some or all of the items, you have the option to click on Hide Checked Items. This feature is particularly useful for keeping your checklist clean and focused by hiding tasks that are completed, allowing you to concentrate on those that still need attention. However, you can always choose to view these items again if you need to review completed tasks. These simple steps make it easy to utilize checklists within Trello, helping you organize and manage your tasks more efficiently. With these handy tools at your disposal, project management becomes not just more effective, but also more enjoyable. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.